Understanding antioxidants and their benefits.
Antioxidants are natural compounds found in foods like berries, nuts, and leafy greens. They help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules linked to aging and disease. Consuming antioxidant-rich superfoods has been associated with better immune function, improved heart health, and greater vitality. But it's not just what you eat. How your body absorbs these nutrients matters too.
Pair antioxidants with healthy fats.
Many antioxidants, such as those in tomatoes and leafy greens, are fat-soluble, meaning your body absorbs them best with fats. Add a drizzle of olive oil to salads, toss avocado into smoothies, or eat nuts with fresh fruit. These healthy fats act as carriers, helping your body soak up the maximum amount of antioxidants from your favorite superfoods.
Eat a colorful variety for synergy.
Different antioxidants work best together, so eat a rainbow of superfoods. Combining berries, leafy greens, sweet potatoes, and peppers can create a natural synergy in your body, increasing nutrient absorption and effectiveness. Aim for a mix of colors and types on your plate, rather than focusing on just one or two foods.
Cook smart, raw and lightly cooked options.
Some antioxidants are better absorbed when foods are cooked, while others are more potent raw. For example, lightly steaming broccoli can boost some nutrients, but raw berries usually offer the most benefit. Try to alternate between raw and lightly cooked preparations to get the most out of your superfood choices.
Mind your gut health.
A healthy digestive system helps absorb more antioxidants. Eating fermented foods like yogurt or kimchi, and including plenty of fiber, supports a thriving gut microbiome. A strong gut can break down foods more efficiently, allowing your body to access and utilize the antioxidant power from your daily superfoods.